Hello, welcome again. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you, universe. This is, I think, sixth day. Yeah. So I don't know whether you people have started experimentation or not. The yesterday I have given glass water and this thing. What I wanted to show you how water and the vibration is impacting to your life. I'll show you today practically. Right now, why I given water? We have the human body is having 70% of water. 70% of water, right? Now just think, for example, I'm not good in drawing, so please don't take it otherwise. It's a human being, right? Another person. Now a person who is speaking a word, how the vibration is impacting. The more will be clarified when you have visited the book, you have gone through the hidden message of water, or after completion of the experiment, right? But that vibration, water listens. Now suppose you say a person, you are very good, you are very good. When you speak very good, you are very good. First, you are hearing. First, you hear everything, like you remember, everything happens twice. Once in your mind, then comes to the outer world. Anything is happened today is happened twice. First it will be in mind, on your thought. The second you manifest, or you go to the material world, right? So now when just think, if a water listens everything, you vibrate according to the water vibration, the words. Now when you say very good, the first you have created very good in your mind, so you have started vibrate the vibration very good, right? Good. Now when you are speaking to the another person, you have spoken very good, he had listened very good, now he has vibrated positive. Now both are positive. Now it's a mirror reflection universe. You are positive, you have spoken there positive, you become a positive association, and you both vibrate positive. So surround to you people is becoming more positive. The same way, if you say you're bad, actually first you became bad. Now you have started vibrating bad, bad vibration. Then as you have told to that person you are very bad, then he has started vibrating bad. Then your association became the bad, negative association. Negative association. Same thing happens which we have ignored. Your first vibration, huh? Then now very bad, you know that bad who you are. Suppose this person do not know your language, do not know language. He doesn't know bad means he understands good. Then you will start vibrating good. That means your communication also should understand someone. If his understanding is vibrating that way, or else the body you are vibrating, you are contaminating, धीरे धीरे उसको भी आप नेगेटिव करोगे. Now just think, when you shout on someone, you have started first created in your mind, whatever the language you are using, you have started first. That means first you became that, then you have made that person, then the association become negative. That's why we vibrate negative, right? Now come to your school, your association, your office area. You will find the office area or the workplace where the good environment, good speaking, good knowledge is there. They are truly creative, productive, because you are appreciating. You, instead of bad, you have appreciated whatever the small things is done, appreciated. That appreciation has first work on you. You got positive vibration. Then your appreciation who listen became positive. Then you became a positive association. Then your surrounding the people, they are also becoming positive association. If you abuse also, same way. If it is positive, it goes also negative. Now, if positive word, what happened? All the problems comes everywhere. There is no doubt. But when you vibrate positive and peace of mind, you think better way, you create better way, the production, the productivity level, the management level, the peace level, and believe me, this vibration also was for your health. Definitely. And was when you vibrate positive, your health condition is also good. By seeing your health condition, one can say कि you are vibrating positive or negative. So vibration helps a lot to find out, to know this, everything. So speaking positive, being positive is the first way to keep yourself healed, to be creative. Sometimes we say, okay, मैं उसको मजाक से बोल दिया था. When you say subconscious mind, 95% and 5% your conscious mind. Subconscious mind is left to the conscious mind. Conscious mind 5%, subconscious mind 95%, and subconscious mind slave. Even if you speak in majak to someone, joke, your subconscious never understand it is joke. Your subconscious understand the conscious mind has commanded this is that, and you start vibrating that way. Okay, so that is what. Now, when you how we get associated, that's why you will find when you go to the college or school or office, the way you are vibrating, your association becomes that. You go hospital, a healthy person also will start speaking negative, or health, it will start. The association becomes that. Now I'll say in corporate world today, हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं? I'm working in telecom, right? I feel irritated, truly, when it is coming because it's 180-degree out of edge. Telecom is 180-degree out of phase to the Thank You Universe book. We feel here when we shout, we feel work is been done. Actually not. They maybe that particular time डर के वो कर दिया, but वो जो डर, वो जो किया, कल वो प्रॉब्लम दोबारा आ गया, परसों वो प्रॉब्लम दोबारा आ गया, तो that's why problem never solve. But the organization is having positive view, positive speaking, appreciation, and compliments. Everything is there, and wherever that is there, you will find it will be multiplied. May not happen immediately. You may not get the result immediately, but when you go a long time, that become a very peaceful. Even you go Facebook, you go Google, they have very good work environment. So it's a creative. It's a creative. The better work environment you have, the better home environment you have, the better environment is there. You get better associated with the better people, and you radiate. And when I am radiating vibration, vibrating positive, I am making my association positive. When I am vibrating negative, I am making my association negative, which is a blockage to your achievement in future. When I am coming next, I'll be coming law of attraction. how you attract. This is going to attract, and every day we are manifesting. It's a ignorance. Every day we are manifesting. We are vibrating negative, and we stop. We blockage. May happen today, but tomorrow's work I am blockage. I'm blocking. The association I am blocking. The good association I am blocking, and day by day. And that's what we are today. 90% people are vibrating negative. This association because of that, and a lot of things we ignore. So this is the what I wanted to say. How your vibration is making you association, and how you get associated with people. You'll find when you are going somewhere, you don't know the person, but still you smile. You feel good because the vibration is positive. You will understand from there. So hence today we'll be closing for the day. Thank you. If you like, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.